Welcome to our guide on how to customize notification settings for each business using Docyt. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docyt account. To access the settings, simply click on the Settings option located in the top menu. To access the settings, go to the Business Setup page and click on Notifications and Settings in the left panel. Within this section, you have the ability to control which business notifications are sent to your email. This includes the option to enable or disable various notifications, such as auto-reply to sender of documents, daily reminders, when docket checks are issued, request missing documentation, and payment accounts. Auto-reply to sender of documents. You have the option to enable or disable this feature. When enabled, Docyt will automatically send a reply to the sender to confirm that their document has been received and processed. Daily reminders. This feature can be turned on or off. It serves as a helpful reminder for users to upload receipts and invoices for any transactions that may be missing documentation. Additionally, it prompts users to review any flagged transactions and invoices. When docket checks are issued, you have the option to enable or disable this feature. Whenever docket checks are issued, a notification will be sent to the business owner. Request missing documentation. Choose whether to send this notification to the business administrator, employees, or all as a reminder to submit receipts for any expenses that are not yet documented. Payment accounts. Specify the accounts for which you would like to receive notifications. Only users with access to the payment account will receive these notifications. And there you have it. You've now learned how to customize notification settings in Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.